Even though the flowers bloom, and even though the flowers
So what happened with Stone Store Records and you?
First off, respect the Can Kick. You know what I'm saying? Because he warned me about certain things. The issue that happened with me and Stone's Throw, first of all, me and Peanut Butter Wolf are friends. Me and Chris Mannix are actually friends.
Okay.
You know, but business-wise, what I do is actually for the divine spirit only. And there's no mixing of that, you know. And if I was to allow that to mix, I might have to pay a consequence in my own spirit when I leave Earth. So I guess my subconscious kind of like reflected certain things and made me react and act out in a certain way, to where I spoke on things and said things that weren't right, that I wasn't supposed to say, that weren't light to people that I actually care about and stuff like that, you know. But at the same time, when a man is being deprived of things when he's giving his all, you know, as a man, I have to actually go and set things straight, or I have to speak out against it. So I spoke out against things, and I apologize many times to cats. No apologies come back to me, but you know, love is love.
Okay.
But anything I did, I don't see it as wrong. I don't deem it as wrong. I just deem it as, you know, I have to survive. You know, and if I'm doing God's will through sound, you know.
Because your man has got a real long, deep.
That's my family member.
History,
like you know, his dad and mom are very close to me. His brothers, his sisters, I know them since I was a kid. That is my friend, you know, like this to where he pointed like my cousin or something, or brother. I got a lot of respect to him. Like as if I was in a country that really praised kings and queens and princes and stuff, I would be in that category of praising him as a king or a prince or something like that. You know?
That's big, that's big. Well, I respect you giving that information, man, and did a good job in the show tonight.
Love you, man, Lib. You know that, homie.
Hey, appreciate you coming out, man.
Thanks for having us.
Well,
the smoke. No, I'm just playing.